Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You should begin by listing 5 narrow topics you can consistently create for. Pick items with both passion and baseline skill. Once done, scan 30 existing videos in each topic to spot common formats, audience comments, and underserved angles. Then create a 1-week testing plan, publish 3 concise ideas, keep titles and thumbnails consistent, and measure click-through rate and average view duration. This gets you actionable data fast. Don't guess. Observe. Now validate what resonated. Look at thumbnails, first 60 seconds retention curves, and what viewers type in comments. Once you understand intent, whether people want to learn, laugh, or buy, choose a primary intent and tailor your value proposition around it. Make specific format decisions, ideal length, cadence, and visual style driven by top performers and your strengths. Then iterate. Test a revised video using the same thumbnail strategy, and compare performance metrics so you know what to double down on. Choose the topic that showed highest retention and subscriber growth, then scale production to 2 or 3 videos per week for a month to build signal. Make sure to optimize metadata. Use a keyword-focused title, 2 to 3 strong tags, and a description that includes timestamps and calls to action. If growth stalls, troubleshoot by /B testing thumbnails, swapping hooks in the first 10 seconds, or shifting to a tighter subniche. Small changes often unlock momentum, so iterate quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.